Sanders here. I'm about to show you a 3-bedroom, 4 full bath, awesome home right here on Smith Lake in the Rock Creek area that you're not going to want to miss, all for under $1 million. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. So we are in the area called the Ridge at Rock Creek. So we're on the Rock Creek area of Smith Lake. We're on the upper end of Rock Creek, and just an outstanding neighborhood. Beautiful homes in here, just surrounded by beautiful homes. This is the house right here that we're going on to. As you see, there's my vehicle parked right there. But this is going to be this has got a metal roof. Again, this is going to be a 3 bedroom, 4 full bath home. And you're going to come in this way. So Rock Creek is if you're going towards the main channel of Rock Creek, we're going to go this way, and I'll show you that in a minute when we see the lake side of that. But this is the road coming in right here. So let's walk in, sort of walk down this way. We got a parking spot right here, as well as we got a little drive coming down, and we'll go down there in just a minute. But just want to take you on a tour. This is you're talking about a very unique, very cool house. The way this is built, just super, super nice. So I love those little windows right there that have with little shaker blinds that come out for sure. And this is a wood siding right here. This is all wood. It has a rustic feel, kind of like a Colorado type rustic feel that you'd see in the mountains. And this is absolutely gorgeous. I love this porch right here that's on the roadside. Absolutely beautiful. And let's go in here and take a look at this. Now when you come in, this is all, you got an open floor plan. And look at the beams, all the exposed beams above us right here. Is that not just absolutely beautiful? And just look at that living area. Very gorgeous. We've got these pine floors throughout the home. And they're the wide planks as if they were cut from looks like they were cut from a sawmill and just made specifically for this. But you talk about just absolutely beautiful. This has got it. I love all the openness, the windows. You got tons of natural light coming in here, and you got a beautiful fireplace. It's on that side as well as you come in. So you're talking about a show place. If you wanted a place to have your own to entertain, you've got it right here. People are your guests will love this home right here for sure when they walk in. But this is the living room right here, and the kitchen. It's all open. So if you like the open concept, this is going to be it. So we do have the quartz countertops that are right here. I love the sink, like the undermount sink, one big huge sink all together. It's very pretty. And we've got a little double oven going on right here. And I love just the different cabinet colors as well. So, and there's your dishwasher right there by your sink, and you're just looking out. And again, this is absolutely gorgeous for sure. Okay, and you look over to the left, you've got a big dining room table. So you can see right there is where you probably put that, but you can obviously reorganize the furniture however you like to. Sorry I couldn't get that out, by the way. All right, so we've got 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths on the main level. So this is where I'm going to take you. I'm going to take you around this way first, and then we're going to go around to the other bedrooms so you can see where it's at. And then we'll go downstairs and we'll check the outside. Okay, straight ahead will be the master bedroom, and that is just a full-size bed right there. That's not even a queen bed, but you've got room there to put a king. Now, if you do put a king, you're probably not going to have room to put your bedside tables, or you may just have to go all the way against the wall over there. So just keep that in mind. It's a little smaller table right there. I love the wood ceilings. You got those throughout. Just love the charm, the rustic charm that this home has for sure. This feels very homey. And then of course we got your master bathroom. We do have just a single sink vanity with a toilet, and it's got a nice big walk-in shower right there, walk-in tiled shower. So it's really, really pretty. And let's come back out. And we're going to go around, and I'll show you around. By the way, you see the lake, you got windows, again, windows galore. you can't have too much natural light coming in a home, and this has got it. This is so pretty. And I'm gonna come around. Let's get another look at our living area right there. And we're gonna go around right here. And going down the hall, now to our right here will be the basement. We'll go down there in just a moment, as you see. And straight ahead will be a full bath. And this is your guest bathroom right here. So you'd have a full bath here on the main level that you have access to if you have guests. And again, we've got a single sink vanity. Another really nice tiled shower as well. Of course, again, can't say enough about how pretty the wood ceilings are. And coming to the second bedroom that's here on the main level, that may actually be a queen size bed right there. So that you got a little bit more room to put something there if you wanted to put a king or whatever it is you want to do. Of course, you got your closet. These closets will be smaller closets. They're not huge closets for sure. And of course, they have them set up as more so as like an office type deal. But obviously, that can be rearranged and changed for sure. Okay, so coming out of this bedroom, we're going to go. I'll tell you what we'll do before we go down to the basement. We'll walk out on this lakeside deck, so you can see the lakeside from the top level. So let's go out right here, and as you see, this is going to be a composite decking. This right here, so extremely nice, and this goes all the way across the home. And there's your boat dock right there. Again, super nice boat dock. God, and this is the Rock Creek area of Smith Lake. So just know that, hey, we're on the upper end of Rock Creek. This is not a wide body of water. Your main part of Rock Creek is going to be going that way. If you're familiar with Swayback Bridge will be about 2 miles from where this home is by water. So just if that gives you some sort of point of reference. But if not, hey, that's okay. And just take a look at the outside right here before we go back on the inside. Just look at the windows, how pretty they are. This is absolutely gorgeous. And did I mention it does have a metal roof? So those things will last a whole lot longer than a shingle roof for sure. But again, just absolutely so pretty. Now let's go down to the basement, and then we'll walk out from the basement as well, and then go out towards the water. So we're going to go down to the basement and see what we got here. Again, the pine floors carry over all the way down to the steps. You've got a landing right here, so our landing to our straight ahead is going to be our lakeside deck right there, lakeside patio, covered patio. Then to our left is going to be your laundry area. Get your laundry room right there, as well as your electrical panel. And then it would be to our right if we're coming down the stairs, but to our left right here, we're going to come down, and we do have like a stamped concrete floor. Stamped floor, that may actually be tile, but that's okay. So going straight ahead, let's go straight ahead here, will be a bedroom. And we've got a little storage closet down this hall. That's going to be your air handler section of your HVAC, your indoor section of that. That is a carrier system, by the way, so those things will just last forever. And coming straight ahead will be the bedroom that's in the basement. That is a king size bed that is here, so just note that. And they've got a couple of like the little closed storage areas right there on those, and they've got a couple of closets down here as well. And we do have a full bath that's going to be right here. So this is a double sink vanity right there, all custom built, and another nice tiled shower. I'm telling you what, you've got a great place to take showers in this place, so it is extremely nice for sure. So let's come back out, and we're going to go across the other way that we were earlier. And oh, by the way, let me note out this barn door that does shut. Just close this off. This doesn't have a typical regular door to get in here. This is a barn door that's gonna be here for this basement bedroom. Okay, coming back out. Again, we've got tall ceilings, the wood ceilings here in the basement. Coming to our right through here is going to be a big storage area. So if you've got any kind of storage, they've got them basically got their pantry set up down here. I know it's not necessarily the most ideal necessarily sitting up by the kitchen, but they do have some extra storage where they keep a lot of their pantry items in here. And they've got the extra fridge. I mean, we all need an extra fridge if we're going to be at the lake, right? Especially coming down off the lake. When you come into the basement, you've got a fridge, an easy access to have drinks and whatnot. All right, and coming out right here, we got the little doggy door coming on to this little porch. And this is just a nice little screened area right here. And you asked me where the fourth bathroom is. Well, this is it right here. So let's take a look at that. This is all open to the outside. Now this does have a barn door also to this bathroom. And this is coming off to the deck right there. But they do have, if you're wanting a tub or wanting something with tub access, you've got it right here. So the other showers, the other three are all tiled. This one is going to be does have the tub shower combo. This is a nice little screened in area. It's a great little spot for the dogs. And I'm going to walk in. I tell you what, I'll walk out here. Hang on, let me not walk out there because the cat's right there. So let me go in the other door and we'll go out that way. So we will come off the porch right there. I cannot let the cat in. I'll be singing the reverse song of Who Let the Dogs Out, but Who Let the Cat In. That's kind of I do not want to do that for sure. So, but just take a look. This is all concrete, that's stamped concrete. Just absolutely beautiful, covered. It is protected from rain. I don't know about you, but this would be where I would be hanging out every single day right here on the lake. Because this is all covered, great spot for grilling. I see why they've got all their necessities there as far as the pantry goes down here, because this is where the hangout spot is. This is where all the magic happens for sure between here and the lake. All right, so we are going to go to our left right here. And they've got their hot tub right there. They've got a little access to get around. And that's just the room that we were, no, I just told you a story. This is another little storage room right here. Like a little crafts room. Now that's pretty neat. So you got a crafts room right here. Or it could be an office. Now this would be a perfect office where you can sit right there and look out at the lake from your office. So that would be a good spot. And look, they got me a little, this is a Taj Mahal when it comes to cat houses for sure. So they have got it, no doubt. And then coming around, and look, I'm just showing you the drive to get down here. There's a drive coming down to this spot right here. So you can drive right there. They got them a little side by side right there. And we're gonna go back down through here, the steps. Again, right there's where it all happens right there. And this is an easy walk to the water. They've got the little railroad ties for steps coming down here. Beautifully landscaped, as you can see. Just look at the rock right here. I think you got those out of Rock Creek. Pun intended. No, but really it is really pretty. Sorry, that was a bad joke. So we're gonna keep walking down. Again, when you think things don't get better, they do. So as we're gonna keep walking down right here, before we go down to the dock, you're gonna look here to the right. Got a beautiful little gardens right here. They got their mums planted. Isn't that pretty? And to our left right here, before we get out of the dock, we've got an awesome fire pit area. Just built in. So we're getting here in the fall, and you're gonna have those cool nights. In the fall and the winter right here, you can have them and just sit here by the fire pit and enjoy time out here. All right, so, and there again, did I mention this is all fenced in right here? So if you have, they've got a couple of cats, but you got small dogs or dogs, this is all fenced in back here. Just take a look at the home from the lakeside, and I'll get another shot of it in just a moment. But just really, really pretty. Well taken care of. Okay, so we are going to go down to the boat dock here. Again, this is an easy walk. This is not hard to get to at all. Easy steps. So if you have a bad back or a bad leg, or if you just don't like to do a lot of climbing, then you don't have to do it here. So this is going to be easy to get to. Now the water's down a little over 5 feet while we're shooting this video. So just one thing to note, that the water will be up a little bit more, and this ramp going down will actually be more higher. So just imagine that roof line on the top of that being about a little over 5 feet taller. So that ramp will be more straight out. But with that being said, this is still in deep year-round water. But just wanted to point that out. And we do see we have the boat traffic out today, and it's a beautiful day to be out for sure. And again, that is going north into Rock Creek, and to our right here, that's going south, going out towards the main channel of Rock Creek. You're going to be going that way, so you got a good ways to go. But we're about 2 miles from Swayback Bridge, if that gives you a reference, and just to let you know where we are here on the water. Now we've got a nice two-slip boat dock. This is a huge boat dock, and one thing I like about this one, this right here, is this actually has an extra covered area over here that's covered. So if you want to sit here and have picnics, or just sit here and hang out, if you want to bring a TV down here, they've got a covered area that extends up over on the dock, so you can set all that up. Plus you've got your open swim platform over here. So again, super nice setup, great setup right here. And look, it gets even better. So you've got a full fridge down here, plus a sink to be able to fix your drinks, do whatever you want to do. It's all right down here. So just a great setup. Now this is a wood flooring. This flooring on this is wood. However, it's in great shape. There's no rotten boards anywhere, so it's really pretty. And we got 2 jet ski lifts right here, as well as you got a hydro hoist boat lift that comes with this right here as well. So talking about a great setup, and it's just a beautiful day out on the water. We get to see a beautiful home on a beautiful day here on Smith Lake. It's all under $900,000 right here. So just absolutely gorgeous. And there's a look back at the home from the lakeside. Just absolutely beautiful. Hey, look, if you have any questions about this home, or if you'd like to set up a time to see it, I'd love to be able to show it to you. Again, my name is Jacob Sanders. I'm with ERA Byars Realty. My phone number is 205-369-2803. You could also visit my website at jacobsandershomes.com, where you can find this home and all the available listings on Smith Lake. Hey, if you're looking to buy or sell, don't do anything without calling me first. I'm your go-to resource for Smith Lake. I am the best realtor on Smith Lake, according to my mom. Hey, moms are never wrong, right? But anyway, yes. So, but yeah, give me a call. Hey, look, if you're looking to buy or sell, please give me a call. I'd love to be able to help you. And I want to be your go-to resource for everything Smith Lake. Whether you need Smith Lake real estate info, if you need access to contractors, or any kind of things going on around the lake, I want to be able to help you in any way that I can. Hey, have a great day. Have a great week. We look forward to seeing you here on the water soon. Take care.